So I'm going to show you how this really cool laser tape measure works. You can use it as a regular tape measure as well. That function works really good, but the best part about this thing is we're going to get the square footage of all these rooms right now. I'm going to hit the measure button right here. Make sure that this little thing is all the way to the end, because you can hit laser and you can see, swap it to square footage right there, and then we're going to start here. You can hit that measure button. You can see over there where the laser is. Hit it once right there, and then I'm going to do it again right here. Hit the measure button, and it's going to automatically tell me the square footage of this room, 86 square foot. Let's do the next room. Same thing. Last room. Actually, on this one, I'm going to do the hallway right here. Okay, and that one was 113. And this actually stores it for you later. So you can see that was the last room, second room, the original room. So got our 3 stored rooms right there for later. So you don't have to worry about writing it down or anything like that. You don't have to be guessing. This is very, very accurate and way, way faster than pulling this tape measure out, writing it down, doing the calculations yourself. Everything's instant.